What are y'all YouTube? I know it's kind of late at night. It's 9:32 right now. Since leaving for the army and everything, I left my car. I'm not gonna say in a bad shape or whatever, but it wasn't running before I left, and I got the car shipped over here to me. I say around July-ish, June, July, something like that. I moved out the barracks into my home uh, August, and I've been messing with the car on and off and everything. And for the past week and a half, I've been, messing with the timing and everything. I just couldn't get the timing right. I guess, I was just pretty much dropping a distributor in on TDC on a compression stroke. I swore up and down on the compression stroke, but I guess I wasn't until I found other ways to ensure that I was on it. Put in a new distributor or whatever. I just pretty much replaced everything on the ignition and everything as I was going through. So new distributor. I have header spark plugs. They're shorter than the regular length spark plugs. New spark plug wires. And I'm gonna drop a clip in the video. When I finally got the car running. But I have an oil leak right now, so my many failed attempts of getting it running, I got fuel inside the oil, so it probably ate through the oil pan gasket right there. So now I had to get that fixed, and right now I'm just pretty much outside cleaning up everything. I've been messing with this car for a few months. If y'all been following my other videos, if not, pretty much I was having carburetor problems and everything, and flooded my engine, and I had to get that cleaned out. It broke through the intake gasket, so I had to redo the intake gasket, but I forgot to mark my distributor when I pulled it out. I didn't fix everything before I left, but I've been slowly fixing everything since I got the car shipped up here to me June, July-ish. I just been kind of doing it slowly. So now I got her running and everything, and I gotta fix the oil leak. I don't have anything to pull my engine out, so now I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get the motor up so I can get the oil pan off, redo that gasket, and then should be running. But yeah, I'm gonna post some clips in the a clip, I guess, of when I got her running. I got my interior light over here fixed or whatever. I gotta clean up this mess. This right here is my electric fan. When I had the engine running, I didn't check to see if this was working. It should be. It's wired in correctly or whatever, but my lights and everything work mostly. I have my anti-tag on, and I gotta see why this headlight doesn't work. So right now, pretty much, I clean up, this little mess I have under here. I sprayed some engine degrease on it. I had some hot water, soap, and bleach boiling right now, so I can throw it under there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I had to get my 6th gen Camaro put in the shop so it can get fixed. That's, I've been waiting to get the 86 running again so I can have a running vehicle while it's in the shop. So once I get that taken care of, then I'll get her put in the shop, and I guess things will be rolling, and I'll be coming back home to Mississippi soon. So if everything goes accordingly, then I'll be able to, put out more videos. Fortunately, I'm not gonna be able to do any racing in my vehicles because Army. But that doesn't mean I can't have another person in my vehicle testing, the waters out. Yeah, but yeah, like if there's anything y'all want me to post, suggest me, you know, content that y'all want to see or whatever. I need to really get back to posting more videos so I can get my channel out there. But I'm still in AIT training, so I don't really have a lot of time. But, you know, since moving out the barracks and, you know, I finished doing other stuff, you know, I kind of had more time than I did. But, you know, just let me know what type of stuff y'all want to see, and I'm going to do my best to put it out there. And, yeah, for like the third time, I'm just going to drop a clip at the end of when I got the car started. Car out.